Hey guys, go ahead and grab whatever you're going to drink and let's style out this Barcart as part of this collaboration, Spring Barcart collab. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host here, Gigi Faison, and today you guys, we're going to style out this Barcart here. It is part of a collaboration that is hosted by Marilyn, a cozy lifestyle, and her co-host for this collaboration is Creatively Msme with Stephanie. And Marilyn has asked that we style out our bar cart for the spring and to include a floral arrangement and something with words on it. So you guys, you know what I like to do? I'm going to get started cleaning off my cart. I've got all the other stuff taken off, so I'm going to give it a good wipe down, and then I will share with you or bring you along and let us style it out. All right, you guys, stay tuned. Let's get busy. All right, guys, I'm not sure what I'm actually going to do yet, but I will bring you along with me. I have this tray. I don't know if it's going to fit, but I want to place it on the bottom shelf. And this is a tray that I have had, and I use it on my coffee bar quite often, or my coffee table. So I'm going to see if it will actually work here. Nope, it's a little too big, so that's not going to work.
유난히도 캄캄한 밤에 나 홀로 너를 생각하네. 이런 기분 설명할 수 없어. 원래 이맘쯤 너와의 여행을 생각했었는데 네가 좋아하던 와인과 선물을 준비했겠지. 기뻐할 너를 상상하며, 근데 왜 이런 생각을 하면서 너를 추억만 하게 된 건지. 어쩌다 너와 나 왜 이렇게 끝난 건지. 너를 기억하면 난 가슴이 아파와. 어쩌다 너와 나 이렇게 잊혀진다면 다시 사랑할 수 없을 것 같아. 그날의 나는 내게 너무 낯설었겠지. 내 맘과 다르게 너에게 상처를 줬으니. 사랑한다는 말로도 부족했던 너에게 내가 너무 잘못한 것 같아. 너와 나의 다른 생각이 결국엔 우리를 서로 갈라서게 만들었어. 근데 왜 이런 얘기를 하게 된 건지 난 모르겠어. 어쩌다 너와 나 왜 이렇게 끝난 건지. 너를 기억하면 난 가슴이 아파와. 어쩌다 너와 나 이렇게 잊혀진다면 다시 사랑할 수 없을 것 같아. 말은 해줘야 하는데 내 마음 변하지 않았다고. 모든 게 오해야. 내 얘길 들어주길 바래. 어쩌다 너와 나 왜 이렇게 끝난 건지. 너를 기억하면
world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through, only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled, caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Beautiful people still make mistakes. It isn't perfection, what is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye. Show off your fantasy reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Best foot forward, don't catch you slipping. Never know the things that you're feeling. Capture your body, get your best side. Breathe in the world, fake us a smile. Walking the lines, fine, but I hope one day you'll break through. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living
this beautiful bouquet of florals, this beautiful yellow, looks like carnations maybe, not quite sure. I'm not the world's greatest expert on naming flowers, but I love them and I love to see them. And this is in this beautiful crackled glass vase here. This was a find at the Dollar General, and I think it was either $10 or $12, which I thought was a very good price. It's a very beautiful vase, and I just placed the florals on the inside and added some of these little picks that I picked up from the Dollar Tree last year, I think. The little Somebody Loves You sign, I think I picked that up from Hobby Lobby maybe last year. The eggs, I'm not quite sure where I picked those up from, but I've had those for a couple of years maybe. And then the little beautiful bunny was also a find, I think at the Dollar General, and I think it was $5. And then we'll move down to the second shelf. It's where I like to have my juices, my waters, my ginger ale. So I've added a few glasses here in this little vase here. I just used it to add the straws into that. And then these two little wine or champagne flutes here. And then on the bottom shelf, I've added the set, which is a beautiful ice bucket with the 4 champagne flutes, plates, and florals in between those that are nesting in this beautiful gold tray. And then I have this, I'm a girl that loves shoes and heels, so a girlfriend of mine purchased or gifted to me this wine stopper, and so I just placed it along the side of the ice bucket, so that way whenever you get ready to use, you have everything nestled in the bucket together. We have a bottle of wine, we have the wine bucket, we have our wine stopper, we have our champagne flutes or wine glasses, however you choose to use them, beautiful florals, and the gold tray. And this gold tray, I think I purchased it from Amazon maybe a year or so ago. And so you guys, this completes my spring Barcart for 2022. And as you see here, I love to keep these branches over in this corner just for this purpose. Whenever I'm styling out this space, I like to either add some florals, some greenery, some eggs, or something. And I think this worked out very, very well. You guys let me know what you think. And these branches I purchased, or it was gifted to me a few years back. One of the neighbors, it was laying in their yard, and I stopped by and asked if I could have them. He was like, sure. But as you can see, people pay money for these branches, and if you just look around in your yard after a storm, you can find some amazing branches that already have some type of shape or form for whatever the purpose. All right, you guys, thank you so much for sticking by and hanging in with me as we decorated this space. A special thanks to Marilyn, the host, and creatively Msme, with Stephanie, the co-host. Thank you, ladies, for allowing this to be an open collaboration. For those of you that are new to my channel, again, if you'd like to be a part of, just go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and tap the notification bell twice. And for those of you that continue to show love all the time, I say thanks to you, and I appreciate you guys so, so very much. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, leave me a message in the comment section, and give me a thumbs up. It is much appreciated.